How to check grammar in ChatGPT? Follow this step. First of all, open the ChatGPT app on your screen. Once you're on the chat screen, click on the message bar and enter the text you want to check. Next, clearly instruct ChatGPT to check the grammar by typing something like, "Please check the grammar of the following text." This helps ChatGPT understand your exact request. After that, hit the send button to submit your request. Within moments, ChatGPT will analyze your text and provide a corrected version, often explaining the changes or suggesting improvements. If you want to go further, you can ask ChatGPT to provide examples to understand the correction. And that's all. This is how to check grammar in ChatGPT.